4x4. This backhoe loader was involved in an accident. This vehicle was being towed behind on a trailer and it hit the overpass on the highway. The clearance was not enough. So as he was driving through, it hit the boom for the backhoe. And I'll show you the damage. This unit has 4,900 hours. Look at the damage. The impact was so hard, it snapped the bracket that holds the bucket, the arm, the backhoe arm. You can see it snapped, and that's steel. And also, as you see, the body on the actual loader is bent. You see that? It's bent and a downward angle, as you can see right here. So it's not an easy fix. The hoses were snapped. I noticed that the cylinder here is bent. If you can look at it, you'll see it's slightly bent over here. The hose is snapped. This was a serious hit, so it does need work. And I noticed that the cab also in the back is bent in, and the top, but the rest looks good to me. Remember, I'm not a technician or anything like that matter. I can tell you what's wrong with it. I can show you the damage on a video and pictures. But those of you that know about this know how severe this accident was. So as you can see, like I said, the actual body that holds the structure, where the backhoe pivots left to right and all that, is bent downward. So that would have to be straightened out, or I don't know what they would do, but somebody knows what they got to do. All right, all the controllers are there. The staplers in down position. The tires look great. It's a 4x4 model. There's a step that's slightly bent in. This has got the assert technology, the assert. The front wheel shield's broken. It's got 6 broken glasses, windshields, and the bucket looks good. The front did not get affected by this. The front is fine, and the engine runs and starts. I'm going to start it up for you. I'll show you the passenger, the other side. That door does not close properly, the one on the right side. If you're sitting in it facing forward, your right window, that door is not closing properly. Okay, so the bucket looks good. The hydraulics on the bucket looks good. I noticed that some hoses here look like they're deteriorated. So let me show you the inside. Like I said about the hours, the hour meter's right here. It says 4,900 and no, 4,981. Okay, somebody wants to get in touch with me. Okay, let me show you the rest of the cab. The seat is nice. The gauges look good. The handles are in place. There you can see the impact bent the back tail end of the pivotal portion and it snapped off. That boot is broken. Everything else looks normal wear and tear, and there's glass everywhere. All right, so let me start it. Motor sounds great. I had the AC on earlier and it was cold. I turned it on, but it started making a funny noise, so I turned it off. Let me see. Wait. That's the blower motor rubbing against something probably. But it was cold and it was blowing fine. This is the door I was telling you about that doesn't lock properly, doesn't close. Look, you can see that the hinge is lower than the hinge. All right, so let me rev it up for you again. All right, so the motor is good, and like I said, this is a serious accident. The benefit of this unit is those of you that may know about what to do